childhood. Now he don't want to play no more. I pull out the camera, he don't want to play no more, man. That crazy. Oh, there you go. That bit loud as fuck. Oh my God. Bro, that car is so loud, bro. Oh my God. That bitch sound like a G8. That bitch a Lexus though. What Lexus is that though? That bitch hard though, I can't lie. Are you trying to race? I ain't gonna lie, that bit fast though. That bit fast for sure. I can't lie. That bit fast. That bit hard, bro. I can't lie. Hey, yeah, your car sound good. Loud and everything. What model is that?
RCF.
RCF? Yeah, I like it. I'll be safe, bro. Hey, that was cool, bro. He probably like, why they do a phone pink? Not knowing, I got this one too. What's going on, YouTube, man? As I can see, we back with another video. The video I had that I was recording before this, that was like a couple weeks ago. I ain't even gonna lie. Probably like a week and a half ago or something like that. But I ended up not being able to finish that video because we went our separate ways and nothing else happened for the rest of that day. But I'm bringing y'all another video, man. I ain't really been dropping no quality content for real. So I'm finna try to get back into that. It's really cause I ain't been having all the guys outside. Y'all know what I'm saying? Like, y'all know we usually have all the guys outside. We been doing stuff, but it ain't been like that lately. Lately we just been getting like little reels, TikToks, doing skits and stuff like that. So if y'all wanna see that type of stuff, go follow the ground right here, you feel me? Same as TikTok, all that. Actually, it's all in the description, so if y'all want to see that, y'all go there. But right now, I'm on the way to go get a haircut, man. I'm looking a little hurt, so I got to go get a cut. But we got something new, bro. We got a dash cam now. We actually got 2 dash cams. My girl got me one, and TikTok sent me this one for free. So, the other dash cam, the one that she got me, whenever I get a second car, I can just throw it in that car, I guess. Or, I don't know. We're gonna figure out something. But I actually had the dash cam. She got me up there at first, but I took it down because I had to do the review for TikTok on that one. If y'all don't know, I promote products on TikTok and I get paid a commission. And then I also got the, I'm also in the TikTok creator program. So yeah, that is one source of income right there. Just in case anybody wanted to know. I know some people be curious. Let me go and get over in that lane real quick. But yeah, I know some people be curious. I also got income from Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, of course, and what else? I ain't gonna lie, I be forgetting about some stuff. I know it's something else, but I can't think of it right now. But yeah, we are on the way to go get a haircut, man. So yeah, y'all enjoy this little ride. It ain't that far, but y'all enjoy this little ride. Oh, another thing I wanted to tell y'all, we gonna have a video lined up. It's gonna be me and Stangry's little brother. He got a S650. I don't know if y'all know Stangry or not, but he got an S650. He gave it to his little brother, or his little brother bought it. I don't know. However they did it, I think he gave it to him or whatever. He did take the turbos off, I believe, but he said he still got the headers and he got something else. But it's a manual. It's a 6-speed manual. I actually ran into him on the way to a car meet the other day, and then he actually found my Instagram, and we just started talking from there. But we're gonna get that lined up one day, so y'all gonna get a video of me versus S650 5.0. Got headers and something else done to it. All I got is a K&N air filter. I ain't even got the whole little intake. I did a video on it before, But yeah, that's what I got. But I still think it's gonna be a pretty cool race. You know what I'm saying? It might be a little close. I'm not sure. I don't know why that truck just pulled out in front of us like that. But alright. But I'm finna get y'all a little pull, bro. I've been doing a whole lot of talking. I'm gonna go custom. Actually sport. Alright. Crazy, I'm the only one made it through that light too. Nobody else made it through that light, all because I hit the gas like that. Don't do it. Oh, alright, stay in that lane. There go 12. Right over there. I should stop at the gas station, huh? This thing got a little burble to it, just a little bit, man. Just a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, I had been looking in the rear view. I thought 12 was gonna come this way. He went the other way, or she, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But they went the other way. It really made me mad that I ain't been bringing y'all no good content for real. Like, I've been wanting to, but I ain't gonna lie. One, I ain't really been in that space of like wanting to create videos. Like, I want to, but like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta feel it. Like, I ain't been feeling it lately. But now, I feel it. I guess it cut all the weather. Like, it been raining a lot, bro. So that's probably why I ain't really want to record too much. But we good now. It rained yesterday. I don't know if it's supposed to rain today or what. Hopefully it don't, but the sky do look gloomy. But we got the underpass coming up this way. So I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we hit that. Alright, as y'all can see, that underpass is up there, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and go in custom mode because I think my custom set up for track. Yeah. But I was about to say something else. Oh, somebody told me to do a day in a life. Do y'all want that type of video? I feel like this kind of, I don't know, it might not be a day in a life, but I don't know. We'll see. I might do one like that. Hopefully nobody's sleeping under their bridge. I hope nobody was sleeping under that bridge. If they was, I am sorry. But I'm pulling up on the barbershop right now, so I'll catch y'all when I get done getting my hair cut, man. What's up, YouTube, man? We back. I just got done getting a haircut, you feel me? So what I'm finna do it now. I actually don't know exactly what actually I do know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna go to the store. I need to go get my girl some roses, and then after that but y'all go ahead, bro. I'm not going that way. But yeah, I'm gonna get my girl some roses. We're going to the movies later on. And then I gotta get Martin Duke something for Christmas. Gotta get Pop something too, even though he don't be wanting that. But I gotta find something to get him, you feel me? And then that gonna be pretty much it. I think it was something I wanted to buy for myself too, but I can't think of it. But oh yeah, I do got my wrap on the way. I'm gonna wrap my car satin black myself. Well, I'm not gonna wrap the whole car. I'm gonna wrap the hood and the roof. But I think I only got enough for the hood or the roof alone. So we're gonna see how that goes. Had to get out a little pull. I'm gonna hit it under the bridge again. But yeah, I am gonna be wrapping my hood and my roof. But they both might not be at the same time because I don't know how much wrap it's gonna be. I promise y'all, bro, the camera don't do it no justice when I hit it under that bridge. Or underpass, whatever y'all want to call it. Y'all hear that bit farting a little bit? Just a little bit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait to do that video with that Mustang, bro. That's gonna be a smooth little video. I'm gonna try to get y'all, like, if we meet up, well, we obviously gotta meet up. But I'm gonna try to, like, before we get started with it and everything, I'm gonna try to get y'all some B-roll of the Mustang and my car. I ain't gonna lie, the Mustang look good. If I got dash cam footage, I actually do. I'm gonna throw the dash cam footage in this video right here. And he hit the BNB. You know So yeah, that's what that Mustang look like. Y'all really can't tell too much because it's dark outside, but the Mustang smooth. I ain't gonna lie, it looked like he just like took off and left me, but slit he did, but he didn't. And I say that because I was playing with the gas before that, and then he just took off like it wasn't no beep beep beep. Like he took off and then I took off, and then I had to brake because that Mustang was in front of me, the other Mustang. But it looked like it was a big distance on camera. Like the other Mustang, like when I started braking, it really wasn't that big of a difference. Plus I had 2 cars behind me, so I had to make sure that they ain't running to the back of me. Bruh, that car feels so good, bruh. But I've been trying to like not be on it too much. Like y'all see I only get 12.8 miles per gallon. If folks in Z01s getting like 19, 20 miles per gallon, and they got a faster car, bro. But I know it's because they car lighter, and I don't know the other components of it. But yeah, man, I'm finna go back into I'm gonna go into sport and just chill out. But I'm finna go to the store, get my girl these flowers, and then I might go to another store and get Mondukes some perfume. I don't know if I want to get her that though. Like I want to get her something I know she gonna use like a good amount of the time. But we're gonna see, bro. Come on, just turn green. Just turn green. I like it, bro. I like it. I'm gonna try to I need to do a POV with my boy Jalen. If y'all don't know Jalen, bro, his name's Session Killer on YouTube, bro. Y'all go watch his channel, bro. He be uploading daily. I ain't gonna lie. Like this whole month, he been uploading daily. Like he taking Vlogmas serious for real. So y'all go get at him, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Been grinding for real. And bro got quality vlogs, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all need to go watch them. But what he looking at, man? You like the wheel, bro? I'm trying to see which way I want to go first. That's hard, honeybee. Hey, that'd be hard for a custom license plate, honeybee. But I wouldn't put it like that. I'll put, you know what I'm saying, do something different depending on if it's available. Look at that S650. Yeah, that be gone now though. But y'all finna pull up on this store, get these flowers, and yeah, that's gonna be that. I'm probably gonna wrap up today's video. Honestly, I probably if I record again today, it's not gonna be for that video. It's gonna be a whole separate video. But I do appreciate y'all folks for watching. Even though I ain't do much in this video, I just wanted to try to bring like some better content and go ahead and get rid of these clips that I do have, cause I got a lot of clips. Some of them I ain't even put in a video, but I got a lot of clips. But either I wasn't able to finish those videos or they just weren't good enough for a full video by itself. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all folks for tuning in. Y'all still sticking with me, staying strong, even though I ain't been uploading no quality or no good content. But I appreciate y'all folks for real, man. I'll see y'all folks in the next one. Boy got the cow hood. I ain't gonna lie, that time. No, it don't. I was about to say it matched the gray of the car already,
yeah.
But
I was thinking about wrapping this part too. But it matched the gray of the car, low key. So
slit. Let's see. What kind of gray this is again?
It's Avery Dennison gloss dark Gloss dark gray.
Bro, I was over here calling that John Nardo Gray.
Yeah, it's basically like that's what I was aiming for.
Ooh. Y'all see my beauty out here sitting pretty. You feel me? Got 392 badge right there. It do change colors, but for some reason it's always on red. I don't know why I said for some reason that the color that I like it on. You know what I'm saying? We got the red 392 right there. Why not have the red 392 right there? I want to take that badge off. I ain't gonna lie. But I just don't want to break it, bruh. But that probably gonna be the only option for real. I don't know. We gonna see one day. But y'all see we got that 5.0 right here. Finna put that hood on real quick. And I'll pick y'all back up. I think he good right there. Wow, that bitch sound good. Hold on. You say you forgot you had a backup camera.
I forgot I unplugged it to take the spoiler out. So I think it was back in. I was like, dang, why is that blue?
Bruh, it's a little hard. Alright, so we done got that hood off. Dang, I ain't even think about the fact you gotta take it, like literally everything off.
Yeah, that's not getting too bad though.
Except that, cause like it ain't got no hood scoops.
Yeah.
But y'all see this, man? It don't look weird. It look fire and weird at the same time. I had to get out of 0.5, bro. The quality started getting bad, bro. When I wrap my hood, bro, I'm gonna get that junk done quick. I'm gonna probably have to order more route to get the roof done though.
Yeah.
Y'all got a smaller roof than we do. Update, old hood is on the ground, new hood is on. It's not painted, but it don't matter because it's finna get wrapped anyways. But yeah, that's how far we done made it so far. We actually ain't even wrapped now. Who that is? Delivery man. Alright. But yeah, we actually ain't even wrapped now. We just got the hood on. Are they coming up, do we? I don't know.